Hi, my name is Dragoș Dobre and I work at Swiss Tropical and Public Health Institute. In this video, we will look on the language translation tables in openIMIS database. So let's start by looking on the language translation tables. First, open SQL Server Management Studio. Connect to your SQL server. Open openIMIS demo database and search for the TBL Educations table. Right-click and choose Select Top 1000 rows. Each translation table can be identified by the structure composed by an ID, the value in the first language, English in our case, the value in an alternative language, French in our case, and a sort order. In our educations example, we can see the IDs 1, 2, 3, English terms, nursery, primary school, secondary school, and the French translations garderie, école primaire, and école secondaire. The sort order is not used in this case. Sort order can be used to order the terms by adding an incremental numerical value to each record. The other language translation tables are TBL confirmation types, you can see the same structure, TBL family types, gender, health facility sublevel, identification types, legal forms, payer type, professions, and TBL relations. Let's now look where the language translation tables are used. Start by opening your browser and connect to your local openIMIS web application, localhost in our case. Connect with the admin user. Go to Injury and Policies and add a new family. Open the confirmation type select. You can see 4 options. Going back to the database, we can see the select option values correspond to the entries from TBL confirmation types table. Let's look now on the family type select input. Again, you can see that the select options correspond to the entries from TBL family types table. Let's now add new translations. We will add a new option to the family type. Go back to SSMS, right-click on TBL Family Types table and select Edit Top 200 Rows. Add a new record with W for family type code, Workers for family type, and Travailleur for alt language. Press Enter to save. Now go back to openIMIS web application and add again a family. This time you can see the Workers option in the family type select list. Log out and log in with a French admin account. Add a new family and check the family type. You can see the new option Travailleur. Let's now look on the language selection. Back to SSMS, right-click on the TBL languages and choose Select Top 1000 Rows. In this table you can see there are 2 entries, one for English and one for French. In openIMIS web application, go to Administration Users and select Admin User. You can see the language option in Language Select Input with English selected. If you select the French admin, you can see the same options with French selected. If you use other languages, you will need to update the TBL languages table.